The domestic property here suffering from water damage. You can see the floor is starting to bulge and a bit of water is present on the floor there. The customer has done some destructive work to try and source the leak with no luck. The door frame's coming loose and feels wet to touch. Damage continues into the kitchen, which is behind the ground floor shower. More damage from the customer trying to source the leak. Then if we go next door, you can see they are getting affected as well. There's been a dispute between the neighbours about whose property is causing the problem. So let's get it. A water meter check was carried out to find both water meters indicating no usage. We've got to be thorough, so I shut the water off at the meters so I can test the pipework. Set up the tracer gases, and surprise, surprise, all pipework maintain pressure, confirming no leaks on the pipework. We've got the water back on to test the 3 shower rooms. There's 1 per floor and they're all above each other. So this one is on the 1st floor. Get the water nice and hot to check around with a thermal imaging camera. So going back downstairs after a couple of minutes, water started to drip down from the door frame. So dye was used down the waste pipe from the shower, and as you can see no dye is present, so it must be leaking from the shower tray seals or the tiles. And with the thermal imaging camera you can see where the water is behind the ceiling coming down to the door. And if I look up into the void behind the ground floor shower, water can be seen dripping below the shower above. Back up to the floor above to check in the shower cubicle, and it shows tiles are loose and there are gaps in the grouting, and the mastic seal between the shower tray and the tiles also has a gap. Somebody's already tried to put mastic on the grout lines. So this wall backs onto the neighbour's property exactly where the damage is showing. These tiles need to come off and the walls behind need drying. No bodge jobs because this has obviously been going on a while and needs to be done properly. And if we go up to the top floor, the shower is leaking past the shower screen, as you can see there. And also this shower valve's loose as well. This is going to be a long report. Job's a good one. If you have a leak, let's get it.